Hello, welcome again. We are going to design our YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So let's go. We are going to design this with CorelDRAW. Okay, so let's go. We go to File and we click on New. Then we choose our dimension 6.4 inches by 3.6 inches with resolution 300 dpi, and we say OK. This thumbnail will be for a birthday flyer. So we get to File and we click on Import. Then from Import we search for the birthday flyer. Then we click Import. At this point, we want to add outline to the canvas. So we go to rectangle tool and we double click. As you can see, the nodes here indicating that the outline has been added. So next we are going to remove the outline. That's the outline showing. Then we are going to click on this point with your right mouse to remove the outline. Outline removed. Let's check it. All right. The reason why we added outline is to help you when you are power creeping. The outline will help to hold your power creep. Okay? So at this point, we bring in the background. We go to File and we click on Import. We search for the file and we import. So we are going to rotate it, turn it over like a landscape. To rotate it to 90 degrees, Okay. We go to bitmap and we change the mode to gray. Then we go to transparency tool and we reduce the opacity. Now we are going to power creep. You click on your right mouse and click on power creep and hit. We hold on our alternate key and click on the background to select it. And we are going to expand. Take it to the end. Now we go for the text. We click on the text tool and we type. How to design a birthday flyer. So we change the font to Turtle. We go to Shape tool and take it up a little. Then we go to Text tool to break. Okay. Then we go to alignment and we center align it. So this is what we have now. At this point, we are going to add contour to the text. Okay. So let's go. We click on contour. Then we choose outside contour. Okay. And we increase a little. Okay. Now we are going to break the contour apart from the text. Okay, we put our cursor here. We click on the right mouse and we click on break contour apart. Done. So we click on the text now, and we change the color to white. Now we are going to select both the text and the contour and group them. Ctrl G to group. And we are going to apply shadow. I will make the shadow darker by bringing this down. Okay. Now we are going to duplicate the birthday flyer. Ctrl D to duplicate. Okay. And we select them and group them. Ctrl G. And we are going to add shadow to it. Having done that, we are going to slightly turn it. Okay. Now we are going to power creep the birthday flyer. We click on our right mouse and click on power creep, and that's it. We are going to power creep how to design birthday flyer. The same procedure, we click on power creep, and that's it. Now we are going to type with Photoshop. And we change the font to Bastogue. How to design a birthday flyer with Photoshop. We slightly turn it. We change the color to red or to green or to blue. I think black is okay. Okay. We are almost done. Now we are going to bring in Photoshop logo from here. We select Photoshop logo, select this, we copy them, and back to our design, Ctrl V, and we paste it. So we place the Photoshop logo here or here. We bring this down. Okay, the Photoshop logo I think is better here. Okay, then this will be okay here. So we bring this down a little, bring this down a little, and we are going to power creep this, power creep this, and power creep this. So we are through. Our design is through. So this is how to design a YouTube thumbnail that attracts subscribers to your channel. Thank you for watching.